Today we have to conduct this experiment flash and fire point apparatus. So different properties we have to check in thermodynamics or in thermal lab. The different properties of the lubricants we have to check. Here we can see this is the one container of lubricant, and you can see the number is given 20W40. So we will explain afterward what is this exactly 20W40, but in short I will tell you 20W is the winter number and 40 is the summer number. It is the viscosity index. So today we have to see what is the flash and fire point of this particular this oil. So this is one property, flash and fire point. These are the temperature of the that particular oil. The flash point is the property of this oil at which, this is the temperature at which it flashes. It start to evaporate. Okay, and fire point means at that particular temperature it catches the fire. So I will explain exactly what is the construction of this setup. You can see this is the oil cup in which we are putting this particular oil. This is the, we can say, thermometer to check the temperature. There is one mark in that particular cup up to which we have to fill this oil. This is the burner and this is the flame. We require the flame. From the burner we are heating the oil. We have to check the temperature and we start this particular flame. This flame we have to put on that particular top surface of this oil. At particular temperature, what happens? It will be start to flash. Means the oil will be flashing. Directly it is not take the fire. It starting flashing. Means momentarily it will be burn. At that we have to check this temperature. At that particular temperature, this is the flash point. Means at what temperature this particular oil flashes, or we can say momentarily burn. This is the flash point. After that, after some temperature, after 10 to, or we can say 20 degree, it catches the fire. Means continuous burning will be there. So this is the fire point. And these 2 points we have to check, this flash and fire point. These are very important, and these are the properties of any oil, the flash and fire point, and these properties are given with the particular oil. Okay, so in that experiment these two properties we have to check, the flash and fire point. We will see exactly what is the importance of this, but today we have to conduct this experiment. Okay, so this is the flame which we are keeping on the surface of this oil. The temperature, you can check the temperature. The temperature is increasing. The temperature you can see. So only this flame we have to keep on that particular surface of the oil. Temperature is about, we can say, 220, about 220. This is the temperature. So when the evaporation start, exactly this oil, means some part of the oil is started to evaporate and it momentarily burn, and this temperature we have to record. It will be continuously burn. So it is momentarily burning, and now you can see this is continuously burning. It is 235. So at 220 it is 230. So at 220 it so where we see at 220 degree it start to momentarily burning. There is no continuous fire. Means oil evaporates and it continuously not, it is not continuously burning. Okay, so evaporation start at 220 degree. So it is a flash point, we can say. And after some time, means at 235 degrees Celsius it catches the fire. So it is the fire point. So 2 points we are seeing. These are the two temperatures. The at at what temperature it start to evaporate or the flame is momentarily burning, the oil is momentarily burning. This is called as flash point. So 220 degree, it is the flash point, and after 230, in between 230 and 235, it continuously burning is there. So we can say it is a fire point. So this is the experiment which we have to conduct, and we are getting these two properties, flash and fire point.